Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LAHO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis several times before, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going forward, 0007 would be that ideal level of support. And if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best? Definitely if the price can stay up above that area. And so far, so good. You can see a couple back tests of it right there, but not only did that area hold strong, it actually, provided a little, kind of bounce point from there to launch the price that much higher. Point being, 0007, yes, ideal, but it's not like if the price falls below it, then that implies the entire chart is epically destroyed or anything like that. Because taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic way to judge the health of the overall move, that right there being defined as the overall move. Just keep an eye on that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, stand up above 0007 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact of the party finally stopped today up there at 001, which makes sense. Just the 001 mark is usually a level of resistance for these 000 stocks. So we'll keep an eye on that going forward. But anyway, look at it. As long as the price continues to do what it's been doing, and what is that? Well, you look at where these lows have been. So as long as these lows keep getting higher and higher, or if you want to picture these as stair steps, that right there is the name of the game. So focus on the healthy consolidations and sit back and let the trend continue to do what it's been doing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.